How to log in into Netflix employee portal. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into Netflix employee portal. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Netflix employee portal, then press enter. Find and click on the official link that appear in the search result. This will take you towards the Netflix employee login page. On the login page, click on the sign in with Google. Now enter your email address, then tap on the next. Then enter your password in the respective fields. Now, once you have entered your credentials, click on the sign in button to access your Netflix employee portal. If Netflix uses two-factor authentication, follow the prompt to complete the verification process, and that's it. You are now logged in into Netflix employee portal. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.